Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very delicious recipe for the New Year's. Great little treat to celebrate with. We are going to be making cotton candy champagne grapes using our cotton candy natural artisan flavor. I'm not gonna lie, at first when I made this recipe, I was super skeptical on just how much our grapes were going to soak up that champagne flavor, and also how much they were going to soak up that delicious cotton candy flavor, because as you know, grapes have a little bit of a skin on them. So that's why I was skeptical. I was like, there's no way this is gonna work. It turned out better than I could have ever expected. So good, such a great recipe that I'm going to be making all throughout the year, not just for New Year's. So you get really great cotton candy flavor thanks to our cotton candy artisan. You get a tinge of color because of the natural color that is in there. And the flavor, again, it is so bold and so true to what our brains think that cotton candy tastes like. So let's get started. It's just super easy. You just basically mix everything together and let it soak overnight. So we're gonna start with our cotton candy artisan here. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of this. This product is perfect for just home use. If you're just incorporating it into treats or drinks or anything here and there. But we also have it available in 2.2 pounds, 10 pound, 60 pounds, and it's also available in drums and totes. So we have every pack size to cover your needs. Next up, we are going to pour in our champagne, Prosecco, whatever you have on hand, whatever you prefer. All right. You can see that color. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. Such a nice, vibrant pink. This is one of the reasons I love our artisan natural flavors so much. They don't only provide natural flavor, but they also provide beautiful natural color that is derived from plants. It's gorgeous. And honestly, if you just want some cotton candy flavored champagne as well, you can skip the grapes, add in a little bit less of the cotton candy artisan to this, and boom, there we get some unique flavored champagne. So tasty. All right, now I'm just gonna carefully add in our grapes. This is just like one of the bigger bags of grapes you can get at the grocery store. Take them off the stem, wash them, and they're good to use. And I'm using green grapes here. You could, if you wanted to, use any other variety of grape. I haven't tried it. I chose green strictly because they are a little bit tartar, and I wanted that tart flavor profile in this recipe. All right, in we go. Boop, all done. So now, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, wrap it up, put it in the fridge, and let it sit overnight. All right, so our grapes here have soaked overnight. All we're going to do is take them and strain them out. And with this liquid, you can save it if you'd like, dump it, whatever you prefer. I think saving it is a great idea because you can really use this a lot of different ways. I think it'll be great in a cocktail. There we go. So I'm gonna set our cotton candy champagne, Prosecco, shall I say, aside, and just pour these into our serving bowl. And our next step is something that you can skip if you don't want to add any extra sweetness to this. I love this extra step. I like that additional sweetness to the tart grapes here. And it's actually really beautiful. So we are going to cover these with some granulated sugar. So I'm just gonna start with a little sprinkle, mix it around, and then add more as needed. A little bit more. And perfect. Our cotton candy champagne grapes are done. What I really like to do is put these in the freezer and let them freeze for a few hours. It kind of turns into like a grape popsicle, but that's not necessary. You can refrigerate them, serve them right away, whatever your heart desires. It's a very delicious recipe any way that you devour it. So let me give one a try. I mean, it's not frozen, it's not how I love it, but they are good regardless. That is incredible. So good. It absolutely blows my mind how well these grapes absorb that champagne flavor and also so much of that cotton candy flavor. It is out of this world delicious, and I hope you give these a try. And if you do give this a try, make sure to let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Also, make sure to follow us on social media at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. See you next time.